Namaskaram, my dear ICMA members. It has been a great pleasure meeting and interacting with you through the various webinar series. And we commenced our initial journey in understanding what is profit leadership is all about, which has given you some idea that there is a silver line in the sky to look forward to improve our organization progressively after recovering from the initial setback we had. So subsequently, in the session 1 last time, we had discussed in detail what is the most important role the leaders have to play, and I am sure that must have given you some insights that we can take charge of the situation and direct the organization for the bright future that is likely to emerge. So in the next session, which has been titled as the cost optimization through inventory management, I thought I will give you some perspective what this subject is all about and what you can expect from this program. So when we talk about the profit leadership, we have learned that we need to focus on certain cost drivers of the company, which is deciding our profitability. One of the most important area where industries lose lot of profit leakages is the inventory that we hold on the incoming, in process and finished goods. Going forward, the working capital is going to become very difficult for industries for the simple reasons that we may not have as much of cash flow and liquidity. So with the result, it becomes increasingly important that how do we optimize one of the major resource, which is the inventory. So in order to optimize the inventory, we had a traditional way of forecasting, planning and procurement and so on. So those kind of methods, which are generally Excel spreadsheet based, has always resulted in an excessive inventory, with the result consuming a significant part of our working capital. So having said that, since we are going to face a huge crisis on working capital and cash flow in the future, at least for next 1 more year, we need to figure out how we can optimize the inventory. At the same time, keep up the deliveries to the customers on time in full quantity. So it is going to be a balancing trick that how do we ensure that on-time delivery takes place so that we don't miss any kind of sales. At the same time, how do we manage the right kind of inventory? So in this program, we are going to discuss what are the ways that we can optimize the inventory using some of the latest techniques called demand-driven material requirement planning, which is an emerging methodology that is coming up and giving a substantial leverage on inventory management systems. So there are companies which have almost doubled their stock to turnover ratio, meaning that they almost reduced 30 to 40% inventory. At the same time, they've improved their delivery performance more than 98%. So it is going to be very important to understand how we can apply this in the plastic process industries, where we have a significant investments on raw material and sometimes on components as well, including the spare parts and many other area where the money gets blocked. So what is the effect of the inventory generally? Many organizations, they hold a lot of inventory which is a non-moving stock, or some organization face the distress sales. That means they need to sell the material because it is not saleable. So and then they end up in expediting, bringing material on a short notice by airlifting and so on and so forth. So this demand-driven MRP system that we are going to learn in this program is intended to give you a flavor of how we can apply in the plastic processing industries. So this technique, which is also known as replenishment model, has been successfully applied in many plastic manufacturing companies and the similar allied business. So we will share all this methodology as well as some case studies with you, which will give you a deeper perspective of how we can optimize the one of the most important cost driver, which is the inventory management and working capital management systems. So look forward to see you again in this session, and I'm sure that you will be benefited by going through this technique and apply in your industry to prepare yourself for the kind of a cash flow situation we will be facing. Thank you very much. Look forward to see you in this session and share some of our knowledge and wisdom with you. God bless you. Take care. Good day. Bye.